So what we have here is our Incline Thermodrive belt conveyor, mainly for transferring product, food. We're obviously in the confectionery area, so we have a large focus on candy. This time, typically we would use the Thermodrive style belt if it were touching product. This Thermodrive style belt, incredibly sanitary, easy to wash down, and really good when it's like touching the actual product itself. What we have here is a sanitary design. So like down there, you can see we covered our threads on the foot ped or on the feet, the casters. The reason we do that is so that way we can't have buildup of food, because obviously you do want to wash the conveyor down if it's going to be touching product. One of the cool new features of this conveyor that we have for this specific booth piece right now is the stainless steel washdown motor. So SEW Eurodrive has recently come out with a washdown stainless steel motor. They're our go-to with motor supplies, especially for an application like this. So really what you have here is anybody in food, anybody in confectionery, anybody that needs a sanitary design, a clean design, something that they are going to wash with water, hot water, maybe some product that they're like some cleaning products, this is what your go-to is going to be.